Hey guys, welcome. In this one, we're talking about how to verify your Google Business profile. So if you want to get your business on Google Search and Maps, in this video, I'll show you how. Alright, so very first step is of course to log in into your account. As you can see, I'm already signed in. After that, you just press on either Start Now, or if you have your business already, just log in. So just press on this button, and as you can see, I have my test business already created, and I will show you how to verify. So pretty much Google, when entering your business details, will give you the available verification methods, and the most common one are postcard by mail, which basically has Google sending you a postcard with a code to your business address. It usually arrives within 2 weeks, and you just enter the code and complete verification. Also guys, depending on your business, you might also see options like phone call or SMS, where Google sends you a code instantly. Some accounts can verify by email or even through video verification, where you show proof of your business using your camera. If you manage over 10 locations, you can request bulk verification instead. And after you enter the code or finish the verification step, Google will review your information. And once approved, your profile is marked as verified, and your business will start appearing in Google Search and Maps. So that's how you verify, guys. Once verified, you can add photos, respond to reviews, and track how customers find you. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.